Hi, Internet. I'm feeling a little under the weathers today. Got a little bit of a cold, sore throat. So for the past 2 days or so, I've just been lying around, resting, drinking lots of fluids. But I get really bored just lying around. So I thought it'd be fun to film a video. I thought, Maddie, why don't you do one of those tutorials that the YouTubers are always making? I thought I would follow a tutorial from my favorite YouTuber, Simply Nailogical, aka Christine, with no H. Christine started her channel in 2014 doing nail art tutorials, but in the last 5 years, it's kind of blossomed into a more comedy lifestyle channel where she makes videos about whatever the hell she wants. She gets into all kind of shenanigans with her boyfriend Ben and her 2 cats. She's a self-proclaimed holosexual,
aka becoming aroused by holographic stuff.
It's hollow, bitch! Are you seeing magical, sparkly rainbows? Does it give you some kind of feeling? Is a unicorn whispering dirty things in your ear? That's a hollow. You're probably holosexual.
So over the past, what feels like months, Christine has been teasing a video tutorial of her overnight oats. Now, I am a lover of overnight oats, but I can't follow her tutorial yet until she makes one. I've been waiting for that video for 5 ever, but she's been a little busy with launching her own collection of nail polishes, so fair. So while we wait for the overnight oats tutorial, I figured we should follow a nail art tutorial, but not just any nail art tutorial, her first ever nail art tutorial. Let's go all the way back to 2014 in the time machine. So her first video is called Alligator Green Single Chevron Scaled Gradient. So let's try it. This video is only 1 minute long. Oh, and it has no audio. Great. Okay, so she did include a blog post. Okay, so it looks like she uses a dark blue hollow nail polish, a royal blue, and then like a lemon lime color. Let's see what I got in my drawer. Got 2 of these. This is all very crappy nail polish that my friend Sean bought for when we saw Endgame. I painted my nails like the Infinity Stones. Thanks, Sean. Now, unfortunately, I don't have any hollow nail polish. Sorry I let you down, Christine. But I will order some once Christine's nail polishes get restocked. Just waiting for them to restock is all. That's what it is. Yeah, I'm holding out for good hollow nail polish. Anyways, we're doing these 3. Done. She also uses a makeup sponge, which I scoured my whole house to find one. Apparently I don't own any makeup sponges, but I do own this super old beauty blender. That's gross. So we're just gonna cut the end off. I think that'll work.
Hey, I'm here with Christine from Simply Nailogical. Hello, friend.
And then she also uses a chevron nail vinyl and then like painter's tape. I don't have either of those things, but I do have Scotch tape and chevron packing tape. Come on, little packing tape, you're gonna ruin my nails. That's not what I wanted. Come on, packing tape. I know you can do it. I did it. It's not perfect, but I did it. Yeah, maybe I should touch it a whole lot so it doesn't get so sticky. I'm not following a pattern, so this might come back to bite me in the butt. Okay, so I think we shall start. Maybe I should set up my nail camera. Yes, it's just my phone. Don't judge me. Okay, she puts a white base coat down first. I don't have this white base coat she's using, so I think I'll just keep my nails the color that they are. So first she paints it the lemon lime green color. Ooh, this is very gloppy. As you can see, I've let a lot of paint form in my cuticle area. Not as good as Christine at this. Okay, so then she applies a quick dry top coat and lets it dry. This is a lot. Oh God. All right, we'll let that dry for a little bit. Okay, I just did a test with my 2 types of tape and it did not go well. Okay, so this little accident-y happened. I got a little dent. Maybe my tape is too sticky, or maybe I didn't wait long enough. So, wish I had a Post-it note. So I couldn't find any Post-it notes in this house, but I did find some stickers. So let's try one of these. Oh, no. Took off a big old chunk. Yeah, it's a chunk of green polish. No. Ugh. Okay, so I think the sticker will work. I just have to let my nail dry super, super well. So I'm gonna redo it and let it dry for like a really long time and break. Okay, I had a thought, an epiphany. While we're waiting for my green nail to dry, my middle nail is already dry because I painted them like 5 days ago. So why don't we practice on my middle nail? Let's get the cat hair off of it. Right, Miss Squirrel? What comes next? She's painting her sponge. Darkest, middle, lightest. Hey, thanks for subscribing, Kayla Neverland. I think that's my friend Kayla. Thanks, Kayla. Shouts out to you. Okay, I think we're gonna go with this dark purple, this blue, and my periwinkle base color. First, we gotta put the nail vinyl on. Nail vinyl. Money shot. All right, good enough. And then the darkest color goes away from her. Okay, let's dab, make her nails look fab. Oh, it's doing something. Oh, it did something. Oh, we gotta do it over again. I didn't even get it on camera. Hold on. Dab, make our nails. Ooh. All right, and then my... Oh, my nail vinyl went a little askew. Let's do one on this finger, shall we? We're just farting around now. We're just gonna do purple and blue on this one. See much of the blue. We need more blue. Thicker line of blue. Thick blue. Oh. That looks horrible. Can you see that monstrosity? Look at that. Oh, looks horrible. Okay, to clean it up, she just uses a Q-tip dipped in acetone, so that's easy. This part I can do. Well, at least they're clean now. Is this one dry yet? Nope, it was not dry. No. Oh, man. I clearly don't have the same quick dry top coat that Christine has. This whole green nail came off and I waited 45 minutes for it to dry. Like... It just like peeled right up. You know what? We're gonna try and salvage it. Okay, here we go. Oh, I'm making brownies right now and it smells amazing. We're gonna dab. Okay. She's beautiful. I didn't expect it to be this hard. And I figured I could do it with the nail polish I have, but I don't think so. Oh, man. So you're supposed to do another layer with another triangle, hence the scaled gradient, because it's 2 gradients. Insert a picture of Christine's beautiful, beautiful nails and my disaster. I think we're gonna try and salvage these guys. Maybe I can do just like a normal gradient on them. Oh God, I just spilled my acetone everywhere. This is going great. I'm spilling nail polish everywhere. Okay, we're done. You're done. You have been fired. Christine, help. How do I do this? My brownies are done. We gotta go get the brownies. My pinky nail turned out okay. All right, well, I think we're gonna call it quits here. Let's clean up these nails.
Sorry, I don't know that, but I do have a skill you might like. It's called cleanup game. Want to try it?
No! Okay, shall we do the grand reveal? Anyways, thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe and hit the bell icon if you want to get notified of all the videos I post. Hopefully the overnight oats tutorial will go better than this one. Maybe I make overnight oats better than I paint my nails. I hope so. Anyway, thanks for watching. Okay, bye. Come here, kitties. You want to say goodbye? Say bye, YouTube. Oh, we're knocking nail polish over. Okay, bye.